Taking up the chips for the players. I hope everyone is clear of the rules. The first that you have, any clarification before the auction, still the platform is open, you can ask. We try to clarify it right here. Once the auction is started, we directly go with the players. Then we won at last we'll again have a round where again the players which are unsold in this particular round will come there at a base price of 30 and you can pick it up from there. Current the base price will start for each and every player will be at around 40. The increments is well aware of. We'll be starting up with the first player, and also there's one player who is there on a video call, so we'll go a bit slow if it is required. Okay, so try to bear with it. For the cricket tournament is the player number 1 itself. Player number 1. Mohammad Sahil. Mohammad Sahil is under the hammer at a base price of 50. Team which are interested can raise up the bat at 50. 50 we have from the Warriors. From the Warriors we have 50 now. 50 from the Warriors. Hitters are going for 60 now. Hitters are going for 60. Please maintain the decorum. 70 from the Warriors. 70 from the Warriors now. 80 right here. 90 there for the Warriors. 90 there for the Warriors. 100. 120 from the Warriors. The Pookie Warriors with 120. 140 from the hitters now. 140 from the hitters. 160 right here. 160 from the Warriors now. 160 from the Warriors for Mohammad Sahil is under the hammer at the moment. Is ready to be sold at 160 to the Warriors. A fair look, a fair warning. No one else is interested. Selling it to the Warriors at 160 on the count of 3. So again, 180 hitters are back in the party now. 180, 200 for the Warriors. 200 for the Warriors. 200 for the Warriors. 200 for the Warriors now. Selling it to them on the count of 3 at 200. 3, 2, 1. Sahil is sold to Warriors. Player number 2 under the hammer is player number 22. So player number 22. You have to look for this player number 22 now. Bala Vijay Kumar. Bala Vijay Kumar. Player number 22. We have him right up on the projector. Anyone on Mr. Vijay. 50 is what I'm asking for. 50 right there. Thank you, Mavic. So we have 50 now opening the bit. 60 right there with the hitters now. 60 with them. 70 right there. 80. 90. 90. 90 is what? 100 right there. 120 with the Mavericks. 140 with the Warriors. 160 right there. 160. Someone else. 180 for Mr. Vijay. 180 is what I'm asking for. It's already with you at 160. It's already with you at 160. 180. 180 right here. 200. 200 is what we have from Mr. Vijay from the Mavericks on table 200 with the Mavericks. No clear interest in the room. Selling it at 200 to Mavericks for this KPL on the count of 3, 2, 1 and sold to Mavericks. Next up we have player number 16. 1, 6, 16 is the next player. Then go into the entry and then we'll move up to the player number 16. It's the third player of the day. We'll go under the hammer. Player number 60 is Raju. Raju is fine. It's team 1. Mavericks is at 50 for Raju. 50 at a base price of 50. Mavericks are shown interest. Finish your Raj. Someone else. Someone else in the room. They are taking it at the base price. Thank you very much. 60 right there. 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 140, 160. 160 is Maverick has to offer for Mr. Ishwar Raju. Someone else in the room interested for Raju? No extra interest. Selling it at 160 to Mavericks on the count of 3, 2, 1. And Raju is sold to Mavericks. Next up we have player number 26. The fourth player of the day to go under arm is player number 26, Mohammad Yusuf. Mohammad Yusuf, a guy from Delhi, plays good in short boundaries. Not sure of long boundaries. Can you have him in a team? He is an all-rounder, ready to offer with the bat, with the ball, obviously at the field with his hands. Someone for Mr. Yusuf is coming at a base price of 50. Mr. Yusuf is available at a base price of 50. No interest in the room. No interest in the room for Yusuf at a base price of 50. Some interest. Shall we begin the next round at a base price of 30 there? On the count of 3, we also give them a few seconds to think on. At 50, Warriors have it. Warriors have Yusuf at a base price of 50. A cheap buy, selling it to Warriors. 60 right there with the Mavericks now. Yusuf is at 60 with the Mavericks now. With the Mavericks. At 60. Selling him cheaply. Two Mavericks. All round commodity. On a count of 3, 2, 1, and sold to Mavericks. Player number 5 for the day is player number 18. Player number 18. Is it 18? 18 is the player. 18 is the player throwing in the hammer and it's Utsav. Utsav, a UG guy. Again, all-rounder. A nice little small all-rounder. If you want him in the team, you have to beat 50 at the moment.
Utsav is not 60.
You have to beat 50. He is available at 50. Utsav is available at 50. Someone in the room want to show interest. 50 is with the hitters now. It's 50 with the hitters at the moment. They have shown interest. Selling it cheaply to them. If you don't want, give me a shake of hands. We'll give it to him. We'll give it to him. At 50 on the count of 3. 60 right there. Thank you very much. Warriors are interested. They are at 60 now. 70 with the hitters now. 70, 80, 90, 90. 100 right there with the Warriors. 120 with the hitters. 140 with the Warriors. 160 with the hitters. Again. 180 with the Warriors. Warriors are coming in party. 180 with them. 200 is what I'm asking. 200 at the moment. 200 with the hitters. 200 with the hitters. 250. The increment will be of 50 now. The increment will be of 50 now. At the moment, Warriors have it at 250. No interest. Fair look. Clear warning. On a count of 3. On the count of 3, 2, 1. Show it to one. 6 under the hammer is the player 6 for the day under the hammer is player number 24.
Captain.
The captain. No, it's not the captain. Shivansh is not the captain. Shivansh is available at a base price of 50 in the room. Any interest in the room? For Shivansh Dixit. Any interest? Thank you very much, Hitters. They are going for 50 now. Hitters are interested. They have gone for Shivansh Dixit at a base price of 50 now. Let's with them. Let's with them looking at the two other boards if they are interested. No. Selling it to the Hitters at a base price of 50 on account of 60 right there with the Warriors now. 60 with the Warriors. 60 with the Warriors. 70 with the Hitters now. 70 with the Hitters. Selling it to them, it's with you right now. 70 is what they are willing to offer. On account of 3, 80 is with them. 90 again with the Hitters now. Again with the Hitters, it's with you. It's with you only 90. Selling it to them on account of 3, 2, 1. Sold at 90. Player number 7 is ready for the day. Player number 13, right? 7th player for the day is player number 33. Darshan Sagrekar. Darshan Sagrekar has scored Darshan says that he's all rounder. Darshan says that he's all rounder. If you need all rounder team, Darshan has it. We have him at 50 now in the room. Any clear interest? Sagrekar has already been sold heavily in the other 2 rounds. He's asking for 50 in this round. Any clear interest? 50 right there. Thank you all. Darshan Sagrekar is now with Warriors at 50. At 50, selling it to the Warriors. Selling it to the Warriors. On account of 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Next player is someone for a reason 7. Okay, so we have number 7. Okay, someone for a reason. So we have clear interest from the Hitters now. 50, 60 right there, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 120 is with them, 140 right there. 140 is with the Warriors now. 160 is with the Power Hitters. 160 Power Hitters. 180, 200, 200. Someone need to press the button. At 250 now. 250. Thank you very much. Aman Gupta is being sold currently at the moment to Warriors at 250. I know he is worth much more than that. 250 is what he's asking for. He's getting it from Warriors now. 300. Thank you very much. 300 is what Hitters have to offer for Aman Gupta. Currently with the Hitters, Aman Gupta is at 300 for all-rounder position in the team. Me batting at 6, contributing with some big runs, selling it to them on the count of 3, 2, 1, and sold to Power Hitters. Next up we have the 8th player for the day. The 8th player for the day is player number 25. And he is Rahul. So Rahul is the player who is already on the table. 50 is what they're voting for. 50, 60 right there. 70, 80, 80 is with them. 80 is with the warriors. 90 with the power hitters. 100 is with them. 120. 140 is with the Mavericks now. 140 for Rahul Rakesh. This is the bid which has been given the Mavericks. 160, thank you very much. 180 again. 180. 200. 200. Now the increment will be of 50. 200. It is with 250. Thank you very much. 250. 250 is what they have to offer. 300 right there. Right there, 300. 350 is what they will have. 350. 400. 400 with the Mavericks. 400 with the Mavericks. Clear interest for all the three teams on the table. 450 is with the hitters now. 450 right. 500, thank you very much. Now the increment will be of 100. So some courage. Flex your muscles. 600 is what I'm asking for. 500 is with the hitters now. 500 is with the hitters. It's with you only. 500. Selling it on the count of 3, 2, 1. Sold to power hitters for 500. Silence. Next up we have player number 3. Player number 3 is in the auction now. Ashish Jha is ready to offer his services at a base price of 50 at the moment. What services? So Ashish Jha, a good friend of mine, wants 50 at the moment from anyone on the table. Anyone on the table. Any interest, clear interest for Ashish Jha at the table. Out of this pair. As a senior, asking for 50. No interest. Giving him unsold at the moment on the count of 3, 2, 1. Unsold at 50 as of now. Next up we have player number 23. Player number 23 is again a good laughter in the room now. Saket Mishra is under the hammer. Saket Mishra is under the hammer. At a base price of 50. A good quality player also. A good quality player calls him a batsman. At 50, we have Saket Mishra. Someone for Saket at a base price of 50. No interest. No interest from your side. No interest from the hitters, I guess. No interest. Giving him unsold at the moment. And unsold. Number 15. 1-5. 1-5. Exactly the same what I am available for at the 50. Selling it to hitters at 50 now. 60 right there. Thank you very much. 60. 70 with the Mavericks. 70 with the Mavericks. 70 with the Mavericks. 80 with the Power Hitters. 90. 90 with them. 100. 100. He's a good player. You can offer him more. 100 is what I'm asking for. 100 is with Power Hitters. Thank you very much. 120 is what Mavericks is willing to offer. 120. 120, I'm the Mavericks at the moment. 120, thank you very much. 140, 160, 160. Thinking too much, giving much more. 160 with the Mavericks now. 160 with the Mavericks. 180 with the hitters now. 180. 180 with the hitters. 180, closing it. 200, 200 with the Warriors now. 200 with the Warriors. It's 200 with the Warriors now. 200 with them. Selling it. 2 Warriors. 250. 250 hitters. 300 right there. 300 with the warriors now. It's 300 with the warriors. With the warriors, they are at 300. Thank you very much. Because again, I am at 350. Thank you. 400. 400 from the warriors. 400. 450 now. 500. 500 from the warriors. 500 from the warriors. 500. 600. 700. 700 right there. The biggest bid of the day at the moment. Thank you very much, everyone. 700 right there. Right there with the warriors. It's at 700 now. The bid is at 700 with the warriors at the moment. 700 with the warriors. 800. 800. 900. Thank you very much. Can you take it to 1000 now? Can you take it to 1000 now? It's 900 with the hitters at the moment. 900 with the hitters at the moment. 900 with the hitters. With the hitters. It is 900. It's already with you. It's already with you at 900. 1000 is what they're going to offer. Warrior are taking it at 1000. It's all around. Again, okay. 1000 is again a very cheap price. You can offer more. I'm happy to be that much. 1000 is what they are going to offer. They are taking it at 1000. They are taking it at 1000. 1100. Thank you, hitters. 1200 is what they are going to offer now. 1200. 1200. 1200 is what they are going to offer. 1200 is the warriors at the moment. At 1300, thank you very much. 1300 is what they are going to offer. 1300 is it with Jen? It is there. 1400. 1400 with the warriors now. It's 1400. Your bid was 3500. Keep that in mind. You can spend much more in this week. We can go with 3000. No worries. 1400 is with the warriors now at the moment. 1400 with the warriors. 1500. Thank you very much. 1500. We'll stay at 1500 for a moment. We'll think it's a big bid. I'm not that cheap enough to go into the next schemes. Thank you for showing your interest. We have time. We have time. Looking at it. After it's my bid, I'll take much more time than this. 1500 is what I'm being sold at the moment for 1500 to power hitters. 1500. 1500 is with the thank you very much. 1600. 1600 is with the warriors at the moment. 1600 is the warriors. I am selling myself 2 warriors at a base price. Not a base price, much more than that. At 1600 to the warriors on the count of 3, 2, 1. Sold. Thank you very much, warriors. Next up we have player number 31. Player number 31. 3, 1, 31. Player number 31. Player number 31 is Logeshwaran G. He is again an all-rounder, asking for 15. Asking for 15. Asking for 15 in the room. At the moment, Logeshwaran is available. Any interest in the room? Looking at the balance, warriors, hitters. Don't get interest in the room. Giving him unsold at the moment. Unsold. Player 10. Player number 10. Okay, Vikas Chaudhary is the captain. Who got the hammer? Player number 13. We have next. Player number 13. Arnold Laka is the new player up. Arnold is the new player up at 50. At 50, any interest in the room? Any curiosity about him? In the room, at 50. Thank you, team. Warriors, They are giving you 50. Closing it at 50. 2 warriors. 3, 2, 1. Sold to them. Player number 19. Player number 19 is 190. Kaushik will go under the hammer. Kaushik will go under the hammer. At a base price of 50 currently is available. Put on the bids. A starting bid of 50. That's from the Maverick itself. 50 is what I have for Kaushik now. 50 is with them. Someone else. Want to raise the bid. Want to raise the bid. Thank you very much. 60 with the hitters now. 60 with the hitters. 70. 70 is what Maverick has to offer for Kaushik now. 80, thank you very much. 80. 90. 90 is what Maverick is going to give him. Someone else. It is at 90. 100. Thank you very much. Power hitters. 120 now. 120. 120 with the Mavericks. 140 with the hitters. 160 with the Mavericks. 180 is the next hitter. 180 is the next hitter. 180 with the hitters. 200 with the Mavericks. 250 with the hitters. 250 with the hitters. I don't know, you won't stop. I know it's 300, 300, 300 with the Mavericks. 350 with the hitters. 400. 400 with the Mavericks. The Mavericks 400. You want it? I'll give it to them at 450. 450 the bids for Warriors now. 450 the bids for Warriors. Warriors they go for 450 for Kaushik. Any interest? Thank you very much. 500 again. Comes from the Maverick itself. Mavericks are 800 now. 600 will be the next one. Do your maths. Calculate it. We are ready. 600. 600 with the Warriors. 600 with the Warriors. 700 with the hitters. Hitters are with 700. Kaushik is going heavy. 700 with the hitters at the moment. Hitters. With the hitters at the moment. 700. 800 is I'm asking for. 800 is the room. Anyone. Anyone is the room. 800. Selling to hitters at 700. 800. Thank you very much, Mavericks. 800 for the Mavericks. Selling to them at 800 on the count of 3, 2, 1. And congratulations. Spending and these are list of players that you have at the prices that we have. Next we have the power hitters. Rahul is available at 50, Aman at 300, Shivans at 90, 440 is your total spending, 3060 is what comes with you. The next is the Warriors. The Warriors are the following team. Total is around 4, 5, 6 just spent 30 rupees still left. A good purchase in middle somewhere. 90.